Hey there, Pastor Margie Bryce out on the road in Allen Park today, and I told the tech team, I said, find me a pretty park somewhere, will ya? I need a pretty park. And so here we are in Allen Park at the pretty park, and I'm out here today because we all like to be in control, don't we? And we're going to be talking this Sunday about what it means to be the potter and what it means to be the clay. And here we are out in the beauty of creation in the pretty park, and I am wanting to say that we all live for this in Michigan, don't we? We live for this kind of weather. But I don't think any of us really want to be in charge of the weather, nor do we really want to be in charge of the what, when, where, why, and how of all of life. And it's God that put all of this creation together, and it's God that is the potter and we're the clay. So come and be reminded of that. Get your phone out, mark it for 10:30 on Sunday. Come on down to Trillium and join us as we talk about the potter and the clay. See you then.